Hi everyone, today we are filming vibro damping installation of Skoda Octavia A7. In this video we will show you one of the ways of installation of CTK materials. And also I will tell you which materials is better to use in each part of the car. So first of all, we need to understand that we cannot use same materials for each zone of the car. Not everywhere we can use the thickest materials because of the technical gaps between the car parts. In some car zones, for example doors, if we'll use thick materials we can make it too heavy. It can cause untight closing or even the door sagging. There are also restrictions in use of the materials because of their properties. So let's start. First of all, we need to prepare the car for the vibro damping installation. And decrease the surface. Now we can start the installation of the vibro damping materials. For the vibro damping we can use three types of the materials: standard, premium and PRACTIC. PRACTIC is a very flexible material, produced in one thickness 2 mm, what creates a small limit in use, but PRACTIC is offered in a better price and a lot of installers are really happy with it. Standard is always a high quality material with high MLF and good adhesive abilities. It has 100 microns foil and 3 thicknesses, what allows us to use this material in each zone of the car. Premium is a very flexible material. It has the best adhesive abilities and also almost impossible to remove this material after right installation. These materials are produced in 4 thicknesses and also you can buy it for the good price. In our installation we have chosen premium material. Because car floor have biggest vibro and sound influence, we have used premium 4.0. In the trunk we have used premium 2.2. Now CTK have produced new material foil fix. It is a 200 microns aluminum foil with gluing layer. The main purpose of this material is to close technical holes and reinforce the surface. In the current situation we are reinforcing the result of the vibro damper. For the roof we have used premium 2.2 and the foil fix. In the doors we have used premium 1.8 to avoid the risks of overweight. Overweight can use damage of door fastening system. We also used premium 1.8 in the plastic door panels and hood. Next step is installation of soundproofing materials. We have 3 sound absorbers: SILENCEMAT, SkyMat and WaveFix. And also we have 4 soundproofing materials: TEMPOFIX, TEMPOFIXF, Elastic and SILENCEMAT. Now I will tell you more about them. TEMPOFIXF is a hard material, that is why we recommend to use it only on the straight surfaces such as car floor and roof. Also it has very good thermal protection abilities. This material is not afraid of water and it's also a very good solution for the hood. We are producing it in 2 thicknesses 4 and 8 mm. TEMPOFIX is more flexible material and it can be installed not only on the straight surfaces, but anyway they should not be very curved. TEMPOFIX has good thermal and sound protection abilities. It is not afraid of water. We are producing it in 2 thicknesses, 4 and 8 mm. Elastic, super flexible material, no limits in use. Thanks to its good heat insulation abilities, this is perfect solution for the hood. Not afraid of water, we are producing it in 2 thicknesses, 6 and 10 mm. SILENCEMAT. This material is made from the particles with different density. Thanks to different density, this material is damping all the sound waves which are trying to get inside your car. Perfect soundproofing material. SILENCEMAT has also sound absorbing and thermal protection abilities. This is the perfect solution for the car floor. Also, this material is not afraid of water. We are producing it in two thicknesses, 4 and 8 millimeters. And now more about the sound absorbers. First of all, I would like to tell you about the limits in use. Such are zones where the possible water contact. I'm speaking now about the car floor and the place for the fifth wheel. Climate. This is very old and tested by time sound absorber. A lot of car producers are using this material till this moment. This is not only a good sound absorber, it has also very good thermal and sound protection abilities. This material is installed in the roof and doors. We are producing it in thickness 8 millimeters. This is the best quality price match. SILENCEFIX. This material have open cell and memory shape, what helps this material to absorb noise perfectly. This material can be installed in doors and floor. Also, we are producing these materials in 5 and 10 millimeters thickness. CTK WaveFix. This is new material from the CTK company. Have wave shape and fast shape restoration. For the roof installation we have used 15 mm thickness WaveFix. Of course we could use 30 mm, but in the current situation, because of the car part joints, we couldn't do it. For the doors installation we are going to use SILENCEFIX and KaiMat. For the car floor we have chosen SILENCEMAT 4 mm and premium 4 mm also. For the hood we have chosen elastic material. This is the situation when we don't have a big choice. To avoid cracks in the car we are using anti-crack tape. To end the installation all we need is just to put everything back to its place. Voila, and the car is ready. Unfortunately, in real life, nothing can happen so fast, but with CTK materials you will waste much less time for the installation. Guys, enjoy the comfort, the music, and the quality of vibro damping materials of CTK company. Don't forget to put likes and sign up on our YouTube channel. Also guys, if you need any extra information about the CTK products, you can contact anyone from our official distributors list, which you can find on our official website. Waiting for your comments.